Well, hi everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. I'm really glad you're here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own customized calendar using Microsoft Publisher. It's super easy and it's kind of fun. Anyways, I'm going to show you a very basic calendar, and then you can obviously do way more, but we're just going to start with very basic. So anyways, all you have to do is open up Publisher. To open Publisher, you can scroll it. You can use this little pound that gives you the alphabetized list. Then it makes it a little faster. You don't have to scroll as far. It's like a nifty little thing. So let's just go New. Now, this is where there's so many choices. So you can see all sorts of things. They have calendars, lessons plans, all that stuff. But if you click here on built-in, it gives you templates for many, many things that are built into Publisher. So you don't have to go try to find a template or anything. Anyways, so click on calendar. Now it gives you some choices right here. So this, where's my mouse? Here it is. So it starts with full page. As you go down, then these are wallet size, and these are all the blank sizes. And if you have some specialized paper that you've purchased or whatever, here's the manufacturers there. But kind of the fun part here is over here. So this will tell you, like, if you click on each one, it'll give you a little example over here. And then you can pick your default template colors, and then it'll show what it'll look like here. So those are blues, whatever. You can pick whatever colors that you like. And then you kind of just see, you know, what the calendar looks like. Like if you wanted a picture for each page, this would be a good one. Like if you were making one to give to family members, you could put a picture of each person there, or like your pets or whatever. Here's another one with kids, which is cute. Or if you don't want a picture, you know, you can kind of look through and see what each one of these will look like. You know, it just depends on what your style is. Here's kind of a simple one. Now, a lot of them have company information. This would be like your like if you wanted to make it for your business, you could put your logo and everything there. A lot of them have that. A lot of, you know, here's an understated, very basic. That's probably the one we'll stick with, because it's pretty simple, straightforward. It doesn't have a lot of extra stuff. Okay, so then here you can pick what fonts you like. So these are fonts families, so that each thing, they kind of go together. You can change whatever font you want to use, but this kind of gives you an idea. So like if you wanted a really bold one with like a light, you know, serif font with it, or if you like script, you can just look through and pick one of these, which is what I would recommend. It's really probably the easiest. Let's just pick this one. Okay. Now, if you were going to put your business information, you'd say create new and then a form. I'll show you. Fill out all this stuff, and it would put it on the calendar for you. We picked one that doesn't have any of that, but if you picked one that had, you know, some information, it would put it. Well, let's go ahead and do it. Just for the, let's just do this one. Let's add a business stuff in here. Probably don't want your personal name, but let's say our company is Company A. Well, let's just put Main Street, whatever. Putting random stuff. Phone, fax, and email. Let's just put our phone number. Oops. I don't know what I pressed. Okay, here's our motto. Whatever. Just so you get an idea. Let's see, do we have any logo? Let's add how many pictures in here? Oh, just my grandson. Let's not use those. That's probably not. Here, let's use a subscribe button. Okay. And let's just save it. So that's our business. That's going to put that information on there. You go down a little further, whether you want it landscape or portrait. Do you want 1 month per page or the whole year on the page? You can pick however you want it to be. Let's just do 1 month. That's probably easy. And anyways, and you can include schedule of events. So you can type in a bunch of, here, I'll show you. So set calendar dates. So this is when you want, what page you want, what month, that's what it's called. What month do you still want to start with? So we'll just make an April. So you can make a bunch, like if you did all the way to June or something. And then click OK. And now we're going to create. Okay, so these are our schedule of events. You can click and type. I'm not going to do that, but you'd put a date and then describe. You just highlight and do it. We're not going to waste time doing that. So it automatically filled the dates in for April 2021, which is pretty simple. Here's our company information. Here's all the information that we added. You can click and make it bigger. Whatever you want to do. You can edit this. You can drag it around. Like if you really want the phone number up there, you could do that. You could make this a totally different font if you want. And let's say you want this a different color. So you just highlight it. Drawing tools, shape fill. They want it purple, whatever. That was the text thing. So here we're going to get our shape fill. That was a bad choice. Let's see. That's interesting. It has it grouped as two. So let's ungroup it. Make the black one the same. Shape fill. The purple that we just chose. Anyways. This we want bigger. Whatever. So you could play with this, and it's just like a Word or PowerPoint document. You just go to the Home tab, and that's where you change the font. Make it bigger. Play with this. Let's play with this. Make the text box bigger. Whatever you want to do. Let's center this. I know it looks ridiculous, but anyways. Let's decide, I don't really want this. You just delete it. Click on your calendar. And then if you drag the calendar by the corner, it'll keep the sizes even. Here, I'll show you what would happen. If I would have just done this, it'll just move the one box, but all these others stay slow. Small. I can't talk today. But if you do it on the corner, it lets you drag it and it'll keep everything uniform. So yeah, so anyways, you can then type in the box if you wanted. Now let's say this is Steve's birthday. You can customize it however you want. This is a day off, whatever. You can also change the numbers, if you want them. Probably should have done that before I put the text in, but if you highlight all the cells, you can make the right now they're 13.3. Let's say we want to make them 16, and it makes all the text bigger. And then maybe this text you want smaller, so you can just go here, whatever, you can make it 12. So you can make this look however you want. Let's make it 12. But this is a really important day. So maybe I want to make this red so his birthday stands out. Whatever. It's really fun. It's easy. Like I said, you can change any of the text, any of the colors, you can drag it all over the place. The only thing you can't do is once you pick a style, a design, you can't go back and change it. You have to start over. So that's the only negative to this. And it also does not move your settings from one month to the next, which is kind of a bummer. But you can customize each page. You can have it all the same. You can make them each different. It's really fun. It's easy. It's like, if let's say you wanted to add a picture. So let's go to insert. Let's just find an online picture. Like, let's say you had a picture saved of your dog. Let's pick a picture of a dog. This one's cute. We'll just pick him. And then you resize it. You know, you can add him to your calendar. So everything is movable, deletable. You know, you can just drag and drop and do whatever you want. Like if you want 2 of these, just highlight it, Control C, then Control V, it makes another one. So then we could have one on this side too. See this pink line showing up along the bottom? That shows you that it's lined up with the other one. Did you see that? I don't know if you saw that. See, this is kind of in the way. Let's put this. So if you drag it, hold it down and drag it, so you move it up and down, it'll tell you when it's even with the line on the other side. So that's a little handy thing. And let's say I wanted to make this taller, you could do that. You could just drag it. And then this one, I want to do the same thing. So I'm going to go this. It'll show you the line. See, went pink, so it tells you that's the equal to the one on the left side. Now, if you want to center this, you just highlight, center, etc. So it's just drag and drop, do what you want. It's fun. You can make this look any way you want. Just start with a template that's similar to what your vision is, so then you can customize it to fit what you like. Anyways, yeah, so that's it. So I hope that this was helpful and kind of fun and useful. I had to make a calendar today, and I'm thinking, hey, this would be a good topic for a video. People need calendars. You don't have to go buy one. You can just make one. Especially these make awesome gifts. Like if you want, especially for grandparents, let me tell you, it's something I would love to receive. Pictures of my grandson on every page. It would be amazing. You print it out. You could go get it printed at on thicker paper or something at Staples or whatever. You could laminate it. You could do whatever. But it would be a really great gift idea. And it's super fun. And like I said, you could personalize it. You could put a little message like, we miss you so much, you know, instead of using a company thing. You can make this more of a personalized. Oops, I can't let me click it for some reason. There we go. So now that's gone. Let's say we didn't want this. You can highlight it, delete it, and I want the dog bigger. So you know what I mean? It's just, you can make this personalized as much as you like. There's one more thing I want to show you. So this line right now is in front of the dog. You click on the line and you can send it backwards. So then it goes behind the dog. So then the dog doesn't have the line going through him. Yeah, so anyways, you could have a whole little area of text right here. Let's draw a text box. And you could put a little poem or something. Anyways, you could put notes for yourself. If you're printing this to put on your desk, you could put little notes over here. Like, you know, let's, don't forget to renew the magazine. Okay, or whatever. You could do whatever you want here. Call and get a dentist appointment for the last week of April, whatever. anyways, you can do whatever you want. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Customize it, make it fun. You know, just really have a good time with it. And there you go. So that's that. You can, when you click on an item, you'll have different tabs will open for that item. So like if you click on the picture, it's going to give you the picture tools. If you click on text, it's going to give you the text box or drawing. You know what I mean? So whatever you click on, that's the, like here's text box, so it lets you pick some, oops, you have to like highlight the text, but it lets you pick and format what's in there. So anyways, this has gone longer than I thought. I just wanted to make a quick video. Anyways, play with it, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Or if you have any other office things in Office that you'd like to learn how to do, let me know. I might know how to do it and I can do a video about it. And if I don't know how to do it, I'll find out how to do it and do a video about it. Anyways, enjoy, have fun, make a calendar. Thanks.